Conflict with the people closest to you is stressful. There is no getting around it, and ignoring the tension will not make it disappear. This list shows common sources of family stress. Look right here at financial problems. Money is a frequent trigger that creates pressure for everyone in the household. Interpersonal clashes are another major source of tension. This slide highlights sibling conflicts over attention or possessions, noting that resolving them requires talking openly and honestly. How do you actually start that honest conversation? Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to write a 4-step action plan that gives you the exact words to resolve your current argument peacefully. Grab a fresh notebook and a pen. We are starting right now so you can walk away with a real solution today. Step 1 is pinpointing exactly what you are feeling. This diagram maps out negative emotions. Notice how broad frustration or sadness can be. Trace your bad feeling down to its root. Are you feeling jealousy, guilt, shame? Identify the specific emotion driving your reaction. Write that single, specific emotion down on your paper. Defining it clearly turns an overwhelming anxiety into a defined variable you can actually address. Step 2 is drafting your opening sentence for the conversation. This table breaks down communication behaviors. An aggressive "you" message immediately escalates arguments. Passive behaviors guarantee your needs are ignored. Instead, use an assertive "I" message from the right column to clearly explain your feelings without attacking. Here is how that looks in practice. Instead of an aggressive attack, like "you always ignore what I want to do," you rewrite it as an objective fact. I feel frustrated when plans are made without checking with me first. Take a moment and draft your own I statement right now. This creates a defensible, objective starting line for your conversation. Step 3 is planning how you will listen. Once you deliver your I statement, it is their turn to speak. This slide outlines active listening. It requires deliberate focus. Pay special attention to this rule. Avoid passing judgments. To prove you are absorbing their perspective, use the technique below it. Summarize their ideas back to them to confirm understanding. Add these 2 listening rules to your action plan. When family or friends genuinely feel heard, their willingness to help solve the problem increases dramatically. Step 4 is defining what a safe and realistic compromise looks like for your specific situation. This text defines compromise as the willingness of each person to give up something in order to reach an agreement. It is an intentional skill of give and take. Think about the argument you want to resolve. Write down one realistic concession you are willing to offer the other person right now. But there is a hard limit. This text outlines exactly when you must refuse to compromise. If asked to do something physically dangerous or something that violates your core values, you do not agree. Look at the concession you just wrote down. If it violates a core principle, cross it out immediately. You must maintain your personal integrity during the resolution process. Let's review your completed page. You have an accurately labeled emotion, a non-blaming I statement to open the conversation, a reminder of your listening rules, and a clearly defined safe compromise. Healthy relationships do not happen by accident. They require the deliberate application of commitment, respect, and empathy. The document you just wrote is the blueprint for all 3. Now you are fully prepared. You hold the exact script needed to navigate this conflict without escalating it. Take your action plan, walk into the room, and start your difficult